Today, we're diving into the crispy, flavorful world of spring rolls. But before we roll into the history, let me throw a question your way. What do you get when you mix a burst of springtime freshness with a hint of culinary magic? If you're thinking spring rolls, you're absolutely right. Ever wondered where these delectable bites originated? Subscribe and let's rewind the clock and discover where these delightful delights made their first appearance. Now, let's time travel to ancient China, a period known as the Eastern Jin Dynasty, roughly around 265 to 420 AD. It's a time of rich history, majestic landscapes, and, of course, culinary brilliance. Picture this: innovative chefs in Chinese kitchens crafting a dish that would go on to make history. In the bustling kitchens of that era, culinary maestros experimented with the bounty of spring, fresh vegetables, tender meats, and an array of aromatic herbs. Seeking a way to capture the essence of the season, they ingeniously started wrapping these delectable ingredients in thin sheets of dough. The result? A culinary marvel that celebrated not just the flavors but also the spirit of spring. The chunwan, or spring roll, was born. These early spring rolls were filled with the vibrant colors of spring, featuring ingredients like julienne carrots, crisp bean sprouts, and succulent pork or shrimp. The delicate dance of flavors was further enhanced by the thin, translucent rice paper that encased this gastronomic treasure. As the centuries rolled on, the concept of spring rolls started to evolve, taking on regional influences. Each culture embraced the idea, adding its own unique twist to the recipe. Vietnam, Thailand, Indonesia. The spring roll became a canvas for diverse flavors and culinary creativity, morphing into different variations that delighted taste buds far and wide. Imagine a kitchen bustling with activity, where chefs are like choreographers, orchestrating a symphony of flavors. The star dancers? Fresh, crisp veggies like vibrant carrots, crunchy cabbage, and the ever-so-succulent bean sprouts. They're the prima ballerinas, each bringing their unique texture and taste to the stage. Now, let's talk about the protein, the supporting actors in our culinary production. Whether it's tender shrimp doing a delicate waltz or savory pork engaging in a flavorful tango, these ingredients add depth and richness to the spring roll performance. And here comes the showstopper: the rice paper. Thin, translucent, and as flexible as a dancer in a leotard. It's the perfect partner, allowing the ingredients to shine through, creating a visual feast for the eyes before we even get to the taste. Assembling spring rolls is an art form in itself. Watch as we delicately place the ingredients onto the rice paper, creating a vibrant canvas that's almost too beautiful to eat. But fear not, because the best part is yet to come. The grand finale, the sizzle and crunch as our spring rolls take a dip in hot oil. It's the crescendo of our culinary symphony, turning these rolls into golden masterpieces that will have your taste buds applauding with joy. Fast forward to the present, and spring rolls are stealing the show on global plates. They're the life of the foodie party, making appearances in restaurants, food trucks, and home kitchens worldwide. From street food markets in Thailand to chic eateries in New York, everyone's joining the spring roll party. It's a global celebration of taste and tradition. Did you know that in some parts of the Philippines, spring rolls are called lumpia? It's like spring rolls have their own secret identity, a culinary superhero saving the day in different disguises. Spring rolls go by many names around the globe. From popaya in Malaysia to nem in Vietnam, it's like a roll call of deliciousness in different languages. While we commonly associate spring rolls with a crispy exterior, did you know that some cultures actually enjoy them fresh and raw? Yes, that's right. Fresh spring rolls, also known as goi goom, are a Vietnamese delicacy made with rice paper and filled with raw ingredients. And there you have it, the incredible history of spring rolls. From ancient China to your plate, these rolls have journeyed through time, bringing joy to taste buds everywhere. If you enjoyed this flavorful expedition, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and join the Food Storian family. Until next time, keep rolling with the flavors, foodies. Cheers!